It is impossible not to work on violence,
Right.
because gender-based violence is one of the areas that affects the lives of women. All women through their lives face the threat of violence. So even if they are not, even if they are fortunate not to actually experience violence, the threat of violence is always there for everybody, for me, for any other woman. So if you're going to work, or if you're going to school, or if you are in your homes also, the threat of violence never leaves a woman's life. So having, our work then is to look at understanding violence, understanding its forms, understanding how it is manifested. So some of the violence people don't even recognize as violence, So for example, if you're discriminated against, that's also a form of violence. Or let's say within a marriage, if say the wife is emotionally blackmailed, that is a form of violence as well. So a lot of our work is to understand violence, understand discrimination, understanding its roots. So unless you look at where, when you come to its symptoms, when you come to the manifestation of violence, if you don't go back to where it is actually coming from, you will not be able to correct the system. So we get people to understand what are the roots of our behaviors that are violent behaviors. So one of the roots is obviously our very patriarchal society. We have a society that is extremely male dominated, that has certain perceptions about what should be the roles of women or men. For example, the perception is that a woman is a homemaker and so has to take care of children, has to do the cooking. It's a perception. So to the point where you will have people, if a man goes into the kitchen, they say, why are you going? Why is it not the woman in the house going into the kitchen? But if you think about it, a lot of major chefs are actually men. Or if you look at our regular truck addas and stuff like that, चाय की दुकानें होती हैं, all that, मर्द पकाते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मर्द नहीं पका सकते, मगर ये जो रोल्स हैं, ये सोशली कंस्ट्रक्टेड जो रोल्स हैं, तो वी गेट पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड that these are socially constructed roles, and because they are socially constructed, they can be changed. So to give you an example, if you think about, say, your grandmother, and you think about your mother, and you think about yourself, you will see that there have been changes. Maybe your grandmother may not have ever been able to drive a car, but today for a woman to drive a car is very normal, it's very common, but it wasn't maybe 2 generations ago. So things can change, and that is what we get people to think about. How are these socially constructed roles, how are these discriminations affecting them and the society in which they live? And if they want to make a better society, they have to start with themselves.
Work on GBV that you guys do, is it essentially the training, or uske through you sensitize people about what exactly the issues are and how they can sort of like overcome those issues? And I understand that then those people you train, they become the master trainers, and then they go back to their societies and they further raise awareness in their societies so that there is greater reach. Is that so?
So the way we go about it, first of all, we get people to understand what is gender. So either that is through training or through discussions or through material, different ways. So gender, for example, socially constructed roles, as you said, and it's for both women and men. So men are expected to be the bread earner of the family, so that pressure is always there on men. Men are not supposed to cry. Men are always supposed to be strong. These are the kind of gender roles that are also associated with men. And then for women, it is taking care of the home, and is always very emotional, and so those are the kind of things that you see in society, and you see it in your own homes as well. We all face the same social conditioning. So what we get people to do is that when you think about these roles, how does that restrict the opportunities and choices for both men and women? So to give an example, so if you have a home where, say, the woman is more capable, why can't the woman be the bread earner? It's because, and you will see it a lot in educated, uneducated, all classes, urban, rural, the same thing. You will see people saying that हाँ मेरी बीवी काम करती है, मैं उसे कहती हूँ जो तनख्वाह है अपने लिए इस्तेमाल करो. But why can she not also contribute to household expenses? So this entrenched thinking that we have. But when you think about it, so suppose a woman is more capable, it should be completely okay for her to be the main bed earner, and the man can also earn if he wants.
So it's interesting, like the work that you do with the rural communities, and it also reminds me one of the stories, the documentaries that we developed, or usme we had this person who was violent towards his wife, and he attended this training, और उसके बाद he had this realization that he himself was doing the same thing to his wife, and he was wrong to the women in his house. So when you start approaching these people in rural communities, उनके लिए कितना आसान होता है to accept these things और वो realize करना and to then act upon those things as well. आपका experience क्या रहा है कि like is it easier for, like how do you compare this to rural versus urban जो culture है?
I think there are a lot of commonalities between rural and urban as well, because the gender roles are universal in that sense, ना. मगर जो rural urban में फ़र्क होता है is more access to resources. So in urban areas, you would find that say both women and men have better access to facilities. Rural area में उस तरीके से नहीं होता है. And strangely enough, in some ways, I sometimes find that rural communities are more promiscuous because there's much more open, not openness in that sense, but much more opportunity to be together because of the way rural communities are. अच्छा, ये भी एक बात है कि the rural and urban divide is also cannot be generalized because that's also very location specific. So say a rural area of Kohistan is very different from say a rural area of Aptabad or of Sindh or something. So हर जगह की अपनी अपनी एक reality होती है. And I think that's the most interesting part of my work is that it has enabled me to work in so many different places, and I think everywhere you go, you learn a lot about the context in which people live and how they deal with things. तो commonality भी नज़र आती है मगर differences भी बहुत नज़र आ जाते हैं.
I remember like once I was working on this documentary campaign for education reforms, and we had to go to different areas within KPK. And same for one of the recent projects that when we worked together for Umar Asghar as well. I was just so surprised to see कि within KPK भी बहुत सारे जो areas हैं उसका within that उसमें बहुत सारा cultural difference है. So we see it as like one monolith, लेकिन it's not like that. But वहाँ पर
the differences even in terms of ethnicity. So Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, as you would know, largely Pashto speaking, but Hazara is both Pashto and Hindko speaking. So Aptabad, Haripur, a lot of Peshawar is Hindko speaking. Mansehra is Hindko speaking, but अगर आप और आगे जाएं, so Badagram, for example, is mostly Pashto speaking, and then Kohistan is a whole mix of Pashto and other languages. तो ये ethnicity फ़र्क होती है, ecological differences होते हैं, income sources अलग होती है, agrarian, mostly rural areas are mostly agrarian. But let's say for example, even if I talk of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, जो हज़ारा का area है, you find a lot of off-farm employment. So you will have a lot of homes where men are working, in Karachi or even in Thailand or all kinds of places. So the women are looking after the home there. But you don't find that in other places places of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, for example, you know. अच्छा, फिर डेंसिटी का भी फ़र्क होता है, पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी का. अगर आप बलूचिस्तान में चले जाएं तो वो तो इतना स्पार्सली पॉपुलेटेड है कि you will find villages which are very small villages there. अच्छा, and then you know their lifestyles are very different. Balochistan, a lot of Balochistan is livestock के ऊपर, तो you know their whole lifespan and their whole sort of lifestyle is around livestock rearing, which is different from say where you are doing farming and other things. So a lot of variables affect the way people live and the way people behave.
So these ways of living, or ये जो थोड़ा ज़रा variation that we see within different districts of within one province, how that affects the way people treat each other in specific gender-based violence के हवाले से.
Again, I would say commonality भी है. For example, domestic violence जो है ना, so the practice of beating your wife is probably just universal wherever you go. और जो स्टोरी आप बात कर रहे हैं, जो रूरल पेशावर की जो स्टोरी है, that was just that. So the activist was beating his wife, and he didn't even realize that that was violence. He didn't know because he was probably brought up to think it's all right कि अगर खाना नहीं पकाया है तो चपेट लगा दो, उसमें कोई बुरी बात है. It's the same as you know when बच्चों के लिए जैसे कि ज़रा थोड़ा सा मार लेंगे तो इसी तरीके से पढ़ेंगे. And there is this whole notion that if you don't beat the child, the child will not learn. Changing but very slowly. तो इसी तरीके से जेंडर बेस्ड वायलेंस में यूनिवर्सल वायलेंस भी है, फिर फ़र्क भी है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हम देखते हैं कि जो ऑनर किलिंग का एक फिनोमेना है, आपको हर जगह नज़र आता है. इट्स नॉट कि एक ही इलाके में है, बट उसका जो हम सिंध में फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल देखते हैं जिसको कारोकारी कहते हैं, दैट इज़ स्लाइटली डिफरेंट फ्राम द काइंड ऑफ ऑनर किलिंग वी सी इन say in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa or we see in Balochistan. थोड़ा फ़र्क है. Then there are other customs, you know. So for example, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa में is quite common कि अगर कोई दो ट्राइब्स के अंदर फ्यूड है तो वो ट्राइब की मीडिएशन में एक लड़की को आप मैरिज में दे देते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग टू डू. सो द वुमन बिकम्स द बेसिस ऑफ dispute resolution, and there is no question asking whether she wants to marry. And then a lot of research shows कि ये custom में when the woman is given to get rid of a conflict, then she is very mistreated.